Hey guys, Shannon here. Super excited to introduce the SmartXide Tetra CO2 laser, also known as the Cool Peel and Tetra. So the reason why it's kind of got a couple of different names is it's got a couple of pretty awesome functions. So I thought really, I think most of you know, I've been wanting to get a laser and I've just been like weighing the options and looking at my patient demographic, and I've really thought long and hard about this one and decided to go with the Tetra Cool Peel laser. And it's a CO2 fractionated laser. And I just think it's going to be best for the demographic here. So pretty much the only thing that it does not do is laser hair removal and maybe some really severe like broken red capillaries and stuff like that. And I can't do like tattoo removal or anything like that. But this laser does pretty much everything else, and there's so many different functions to be able to tailor it to whatever the issue is with the skin. So Cool Peel is the lighter, more superficial function of this laser. So a Cool Peel, pretty much you could get like once a month until we reach the goal of like no hyperpigmentation or no fine lines, a little bit tighter skin if there's mild scarring. And the Cool Peel function is like little to no downtime. Like you might have a mildly like sunburned looking face for 1 to 2 days. Then it also has the Decapulse, which is the Tetra portion of the laser. That's a little bit deeper of CO2 fractionation in the skin. And that is going to treat more of your really severe dark spots, the more like melasma, severe hyperpigmentation, deep wrinkles, and skin laxity, and thinner skin. Because not only is it pretty much ablating the surface of the skin, but it's also building collagen underneath, and that's how it's kind of treating the deep wrinkles. So the number of treatments is going to depend on what we're treating, of course. The Decapulse is going to have a little bit more downtime, a little bit more redness, and this is just like social downtime, like maybe you won't want to go have like a dinner with like a big group of friends, but nothing like where you're like blistering or scabbing or anything crazy like that, like the old CO2 lasers. When I worked at Precision MD in Sacramento, I ran all the lasers, specifically CO2, but this technology was not out then. So this is a newer technology with the CO2 lasers where you're getting the same, if not better results with less pain and less downtime. So some of the older ones, like you might get some like blistering or something, and that's not the case with this. You're just going to have redness and maybe like a little bit of oozing, I guess, of like your natural PRF, and that's only with like the deeper pulse. So you're not going to end up with scabs or anything like that, but you're going to see results. And I have seen a lot of results with this particular laser that are very impressive. And it is the gold standard in CO2 lasers. So go gold or go home, right, you guys? So it's available for booking now. I am going to open up a couple more days so you guys can get in and get the treatment and don't have to wait, a couple of months. And especially like right now is like the perfect time when it's a little bit cloudy out and you can kind of cover your face after the treatment with a buff while you're out there skiing with goggles and stuff. So I want to make sure you guys can actually get an appointment to be able to get the treatment. So I will be opening up a couple more days, and I hope to see you guys on my books. All right, see you soon.